Alright friends, so these are the turbans I'm going to use for this video. Let's do this. Let us do this. Ladies, let's do this. Hello friends, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Mina Worthy, and if this is your first time of coming to this channel, you're very much welcome. And to my returning subscribers, you're so welcome, guys. You are the heartbeat of this channel. I'm glad and pleased that you are on this journey with me. So today you could tell from the title of the video, I just want to make is it a mini tutorial of how I make my how I tie my turban sometimes to church, you know, and not just to church. I mean, you've seen me appear on my videos with my head wrap and turban, whatever they call it. So I just want to show you the simplest ways I put on my head wrap or turban. Just very easy, because I do not want to stress. Life is so complicated as it is already. I don't want to add to that complication. So I have I hope I can make all of them. I have this turban, this head wrap, this one. There's basically the same, they're all the same, you know. I'll just show you the different ways I'm going to use them, and the different ways I'm going to style them on my head. And that's why I want to use different colors, so that we can appreciate it. It's just very simple, and can I call it elegant and classy? You can call it, but I know that head wrap is not a thing for every woman. But if you're a woman like me and you love head wraps, this video is for you. And perhaps if you're not one of those that is into head wraps, this video might possibly convince you to, you know, give it a go and see how you would look. It will make you look so pretty, so beautiful, so elegant, so classy, so, if I can say that. All right, so let's swing into action now. I'm going to start with this one, the red. It's one of my favorites, and it's a long time I've not had it on. So if you want a flat head wrap, I know some people will put stuff behind to shoot it out, but I don't really feel comfortable doing it that way, so I just do mine like this. Fold it in. I hope you can see. Fold it in, and I bring it out a little bit in front. And because I have two sleeves, should I call them sleeves or strips? This is a shiny one, and this is a plain one. So depending on how you want it styled, you know, I'm just going to show you one quick way. So this one, come here. I'm not even finished, it's already looking so pretty. And this one, come here. You see, I make them in layers. I put this one again. Another layer just above the red. Okay, and I bring this other sleeve again. So I will now, I'm just going to show you how I knot it behind first. And you see, so these are the two sleeves. I'm going to knot it like this, like that. I'll knot it one more time to secure it like that, and then come back with this, and I do the same here. Just find some way to tuck this in here. Okay, so, and I'll come back and I pull it, and I pull it. I don't know what you think, but yeah, this simple, classy. Ignore the brown that I'm wearing. Definitely you would match your. You're not going to wear conflicting colors. Yeah, so I'll go show you the back. Okay, so I'm going to do the second one, the second style. I flatten it behind again. Okay, so I'm just looking for, yeah, that's it. That's what I was looking for. So now we have the two sleeves again, or whatever you choose to call it. I will repeat the same pattern. Yeah, and knot it tight behind. Do it again a second time. And then I do this like this. I hope you can see clearly. I hope you guys can see it. And basically twist the sleeves. When I twist the sleeves, I bring it up, take it back, yeah, and then I pull it. You see this, the twist here. There you have it. Yeah, so we're going to do the next style now. I hope I did it well. I don't have a mirror behind me to show me how well I'm doing, but you guys will rate it for me. You can adjust it the way you want. So we're going to do the third one. I'm just going to use this wig now to give it just a little bit of volume, not too much, because I don't like it when the hair is just up, when there's this massive thing behind you. I'm not a fan of that. So I just put on this wig. Okay, I've worn my wig now. This will give it some volume, and then I'm going to use this scarf now. I'm using the scarf. So still do the same way, but start here. See this length here, This is the length here. Then I will tuck it. Pull it as tight as you can. Pull it as tight as you can. Forgive me if I'm not looking at directly at the camera, because I'm trying to do this. Okay, so pull it as tight as you can, so that, I mean, as tight as you're comfortable with, sorry, because if you make it too tight, some people, it might give you a headache for some people. Okay. I'm now going to pull this back a bit. It's giving me a bit of volume behind, but not so much as, can you see? I hope you ladies can see. Yeah. We're going to do the next, I think it will be the last one. I will still leave the wig on. I'll still leave the wig on. Then I'm going to do this. This is this particular style I'm going to do is always looking. It's always better if you have like a two-tone turban like this, with the two tones, one maybe one black, one white, or brown, cream, you know. I'm not even seeing, no, ladies, I don't even know where the cross is, because I don't have my mirror here. But doesn't matter. I don't think it does matter right now. Okay, so this one, I didn't put it towards the back, but it's okay. This is okay here, and this is okay, like this, like this. This is looking, I like the color. I don't know if it's because of what I'm wearing that is making it look so pretty, but whatever be the case, that's all right. So we now do this with this one. I do this like this. I try and knot it. Can you see? You knot it all the way to the end. I don't know if you guys can see. It's like you're braiding it, but you're just knotting it. See? So the knot, and then you bring it like this. Okay, and we pull it. You see the knot? I'll show you the back view. There. And All right, ladies, so just in case you've not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming over and over to support us on this journey. And just in case you have forgotten, you are the heartbeat of this channel. Thank you so much for all your support, your love, and your care. And yeah, that is all I have to show you today on how I style my turbans or my head wraps when I'm wearing them to church, or if I want to appear on a video like this. And I think it makes you, you know, stand out as a woman. And that's if it's your own thing, you know. But I think head wrap will look good on any woman. I believe so. It will look good on any woman. So just let me know what your thoughts are on the comment section. Did I do a good job? I'm not a professional. I do this and it has always helped me. You know, I look at myself in the mirror and I think, wow, you've done a pretty good job, Mina. So that's all that matters to me. And tell me if you want to see more videos like these, or as in how I style myself sometimes to church. You don't want to see how I style myself to work. I look like, let's not even go there. So ladies and gentlemen, I will see you in my next video. Remember, I love you all with the love of Christ. From Mina Wodi, bye.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like